초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
I took a glance in the mirror once again. Halos hindi ako makapaniwala sa nakita kong reflection. There was a woman, a beautiful woman indeed, with just a right amount of makeup on her face that enhanced her facial features. Her hair was curled. Mayroon ding nakatali patalikod, enough to let them see her face, side view, and of course, different kind of little white flowers na ginawang korona ay nakapatong sa nakaipit niyang buhok. The veil was already in her head, pinned to her hair. Ako ang nasa refleksyon na iyon. Kasal ko na pala ngayon at walang kasing saya ang nararamdaman ko sa mga oras na ito. Anytime ay sasabog na ako sa sobrang saya. I was wearing a white off-shoulder ball gown na napupuno ng iba't ibang klase ng crystals na kumikinang whenever it hits lights. It was made by a well-known fashion designer na kinukuha pa nila sa ibang bansa. I look like a princess. Just I imagine when I was young, ganitong-ganito ang gusto kong maging suot ko sa araw ng kasal ko. Mama, Dada, ikakasal na ako. I know you're watching me right now. Alam kong nasa tabi ko lang kayo sa araw na ito. I smiled again. Ang ganda-ganda talaga ni Mrs. Creams. Perfect. Tili ng makeup artist. Thanks, sabi ko at ngumiti. Ready na ba ang bride? Napalingon ako sa maid of honor ko. She was beaming. Kinakabahan ako, Ate Sav. I honestly said, ganito ba talaga kapag araw ng kasal na? Nako, just be yourself, Italia. You look so perfect. Oh my. Hinawakan niya ang magkabilang nanlalamig kong mga kamay. Ngumiti na lang ako sa kanya. You look so beautiful in white. Sabi niya ulit tapos natawa siya na parabang may naalalang nakakatawa. Thank you, ate. Ikaw din in mint green. Sabi ko. She wears a mint green flowy long gown. Iyon ang pinili kong kulay sa gowns and motif ng buong kasal dahil favorite color ko ang mint green. Pabasa nga nang sasabihin mo, mamaya, baka naman lyrics din ang kanta yung naloko na, sabi niya. Kailangan pa ba yun? Tanong ko. Ang nasa isip ko pa naman kanina, ibahala na kung ano ang sasabihin ko kaya hindi na ako nagsulat. Na I'm just making sure baka kasi lyrics ng kanta ang naisulat mo. I've already have one in my head, ate, at hindi naman yung lyrics ng kanta. Tumango-tango siya. Good, good. Let's go na? Tumango ako. Hinawakan niya ang dulo ng gown ko, tapos bigla namang may humawak sa kamay ko at pinaikot iyon sa braso niya. I smiled. Zaki, you look so beautiful, Vinny. Thanks, Dad. I joke. Naglalakad kami pababa ng hagdan. I was in our house. Tapos si Gio, nasa mansyon nila Ate Sav. We haven't seen each other for a week now. Hindi ko kasi alam na napaka-traditional nila at niduwala sila doon sa bawal mo na magkita ang groom and bride bago ang mismong kasal. I miss him already. Pero ngayon na makikita na kami, kinakabahan naman ako. Relax, Ate Sav and Zaki said in chorus. Nasa limousine na kaming tatlo at alam kong naririnig nila ang mga buntong hininga ko. Ngumiti na lang ako. This is it. Nang makarating kami sa harap ng simbahan, ay lumabas na sila Ate Sav at Zaki tapos ako ay naghintay muna ng ilang minuto bago ako sinundo ng organizer at pinapwesto sa harap ng nakasaradong double doors na simbahan. When the doors opened, it's my cue to walk slowly, and so I did. And the background song started to play, a perfect song for this perfect day. Mabagal at literal na manunuot sa isip at puso ang lyrics ng kanta. From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on. Kung hindi ko lang momento ay nagtatalo na ako sa ganda ng decoration ng simbahan. Majestic, beautiful, and perfect. I wanted to cry while I'm walking. Binigyan niya lang naman ako ng napakagarbong kasal na hindi ko alam na nag-exist pala sa mundo. Inilibot ko ang tingin ko sa mga taong nakatingin at pinapanood ako habang lahat sila ay nakangiti. Others are crying. From this moment, I have been blessed. Lumapit sa akin si Zaki. Pinaikot niya ulit ang kamay ko sa braso niya. Tapos ngumiti siya sa akin ng sobrang lapad. Wala naman sila mama at dada sa tabi ko habang naglalakad. I'm still happy that Zam Kinsley was here para samahan ako. I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath from this moment on. Be happy and live happy with him, my best friend and now my daughter. I heard him say, Opo, Tay. Thank you for being there with me. We laughed a little. Hays, buti na lang at medyo natanggal ang kaba ko. You're welcome, Vinny. We continued walking and finally, my eyes landed on him. Damn, he looked so perfect in that cream-colored three-piece suit. He was staring at me with full of love on his eyes. He's also teary-eyed at tinabig siya ni Charles para abutin ng tissue. Napangiti tuloy ako habang naiiyak na rin ako. Na-miss ko si Gio. Tapos ngayon nagkita na ulit kaming magiging mag-asawa na kami. I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. Naglakad na kami ulit kasi nga I can't wait to live my life with him. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. Siya lang pala ang tutupad ng mga pangarap ko. Nang makalapit na kami sa naghihintay na sila tito at tita na magiging mom and dad ko na rin, ay bumiso sila sa akin pareho. Tita was crying at Isav as well. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this. There is nothing I wouldn't give from this moment on. That moment nang binigay ni Zaki ang kamay ko kay Gio, ay hindi ko na mapigilang umiyak. Pero pinunasan ko naman agad. Hindi pa nga tapos ang kasal ay magulo na ang makeup ko. Pero kasi nakakaiyak dahil sa sobrang tuwa at sayang nararamdaman ko. I can't help it but to become so emotional sa araw ng kasal ko. Smile, Venice Italia Watson creams, he said, and kissed my hand. Napangiti na lang ako dahil sa sinabi niya. Tumango ako at nagsimula na kaming maglakad patungo sa harap ng altar. Sobrang bilis at lakas ng tibok na puso ko. You're the reason I believe in love and you're the answer to my fears. From up above, all we need is just two of us. My dreams came true because of you. Nakarating kami sa harap ng saktong patapos na ang kanta. I will love you as long as I live from this moment on. Hi! Napatawa kaming lahat dahil sa intro ni Gio. He's nervous as I am. Trust me, I've been memorizing the letter that Duval gave me. Huli na ma-realize ko ang isa pala yung lyrics ng kanta. He explained, malakas na tawa ang narinig namin galing sa apat. Pati tuloy ako natatawa rin. Kaya pala Ate Sav made sure na hindi lyrics ng kanta ang sasabihin ko ngayon. Anyway, Venice Italia Watson, just like the lyrics of that song, you look so beautiful in white. And for also as long as I live, I love you. It won't change no matter how hard-headed you are. Hahabaan ko ang pasensya ko. Iintindihin kita ng buong puso and I will never hurt you. I can't wait to face the future with you, her by my side, pati na rin ang buuin nating pamilya. I promise to be the best, the kindest, the most responsible, lovable, and the most handsome husband you could ever have for the rest of your life. Everyone said, "Whoa! Venice, I love you so much." At wala na akong ibang hangad kundi ang pasayain ka habang nasa tabi kita. I'll take care of you. At hanggat kasama mo ako, I promise that no one would ever hurt you. I am so happy that ilang minuto na lang ang hinihintay ko matatawag na kitang asawa ko. Suminghot-singhot na ako sa harap niya. How can he be so sweet like this? I, Jovel Grimes, take you, Venice Italia Watson, to be my wife, to have and to hold you from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. Walang kurap at diretsyong tingin niya sa akin habang sinasabi ang mga huling linya. Sinuot niya sa akin yung singsing bukod doon sa engagement ring. Isa sa mga singsing na ito ang pinakamaganda sa mata ko. He kissed my hand again at pinunasan ng luha ko. And now it's my turn. Gio, back when we first met, hanggang sa unti-unti kitang nakilala, wala akong ibang description sa'yo kundi masungit, diddly, seryoso, pero hindi ako na-inform na may taglay ka palang sweetness sa buto mo. I smiled habang ang audience ay natawa. I heard him whispered, "Only to you, Mrs. Grimes." At sa tingin ko, namula ang pisngi ko. You were my savior back then until now. Gio, always remember that ikaw at ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko habang buhay. Our life has just begun as husband and wife, at kahit anumang pagsubok ang dumating sa atin, mananatili ako sa tabi mo at sabay nating harapin lahat ng iyon. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for everything you did. Bumalik sa akin ang lahat-lahat ng masasayang alaala kasama siya. You'll always be my happiness. Let's make more happy memories together. At sa bagong kabanata ng ating kwento, pangako, nandito lang ako. Would fall for you over and over again, at mas lalo kitang mamahalin as time goes by. He smiled habang pinunasan din ang luha niya. He's so cute. I, Venice Watson, take you, Jovel Grimes, to my husband, to have and to hold you from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. I split the ring to his finger. I now pronounce you as husband and wife. Everyone clapped their hands at naghihiyawan. Ang iba ay nag-iiyakan, pero ang puso namin dalawa ang naririnig kong tumitibok sa sobrang saya. You may kiss your wife. We smiled at each other. Inangat niya ang belong puti ko, wiped my tears, and began to kiss me. I closed my eyes and savored the moment. It's our first kiss as husband and wife. I love you, wife. Mrs. Grimes. I love you more, asawa ko. Humalakhak lang kami pareho. Humarap kami sa kanilang lahat and they still clapping. Yung apat sumisipol. Ako na siguro ang pinakamasayang babae sa araw na ito. Nasa reception na kami at mas nagulat ako sa dami ng bisita. Iba't ibang lahi, came from wealthy family, pero wala akong nararamdamang takot dahil alam ko namang secured lahat. Gabi na pero marami pa rin bisita at busy sila sa pagkain o kaya sa kwentuhan nila. Marami na rin nagko-congratulate sa amin. Calling me Mrs. Grimes ay napakaganda sa pandinig ko. Gio didn't let go of my hand. Hinalikan niya ito o kaya pinipisil ng mariin. And now, let's all witness the first dance as husband and wife. We may call on Mr. and Mrs. Jovel Grimes, sabi ni Mom. Ngumiti kami pareho at naglakad patungo sa harap. The song started to play. Naging dim ang ilaw. I put my hands on her shoulder, tapos yung mga kamay niya ay nakapalibot sa bewang ko. "Are you tired, Mrs. Creams?" he asked. "How can I kung ikaw ang nabibigay ng energy sa akin?" He laughed a little. "Good to know that, dahil marami pa tayong dapat gawin." Sigurado akong alam ko kung ano ang tinutukoy niya. I felt my cheeks turned a bit red. "How about you?" Naiinip lang. Naging madami ang kasama naming nagsasayaw. Nakita ko sila Ma'am and Mr. G habang nakangiti sila sa isa't isa, as well as Ate Sav and Joey, pati na rin ang kunot noong si Charles at ngiting-ngiting si Levi. Si Charles at Harvey also dancing with their girls I didn't know. "We have all the night, Gio." Tapos tumawa ako. "Anyway, I wanna do something for you right now," he said. "What it is?" Hindi niya ako sinagot pero kumindat siya. He threw his hand up, tapos may lumapit sa kanya at binigyan siya ng microphone. Kinuha niya ito gamit ang isang kamay habang ang isa ay nanatili sa bewang ko. Biglang napalitan ang tugtog ng music that I'm very much familiar of. Then he started to sing a -1 na lang ang piniplay while we continue dancing. "When the vision around you bring tears to your eyes, and all that surrounds you are secrets and lies, I'll be your strength, I'll give you hope, keeping your faith with its gun. The one you should call was standing there all along." Pinaikot niya ako tapos niyakap ako patalikod. And we still dancing habang kumakanta pa rin siya. "And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong till the day my life is through. I promise you. This I promise you." Pinaharap niya ako habang titig na titig siya sa mga mata ko. I feel like I'm going to cry again. He was a very good voice and it was my first time hearing him singing. He sings for me. "I'll love you forever and lifetimes before, and I promise you never will you hurt anymore. I give you my word, I give you my heart. This is a battle we've won, and when this vow forever has now begun." I hug him tight while we're dancing slowly. "Just close your eyes each loving day. I know this feeling won't go away. Every word I say is true. This I promise you. This I promise you." Over and over I fall when I hear your call. Without you in my life, baby, I just would not be living at all. And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong. Every words I say, it's true. This I promise you. Every words I say is true. This I promise you. This I promise you. He kissed me a long one after he finished the song. "Let's go out of here, wife," he said. "I would love to," I answered. Hinila niya ako at wala na kaming pakialam sa mga bisita namin na naiwan. Maybe it's time for us to have our own time. Yung kaming dalawa lang.